Critical care nurses with poor mental health could face difficulties with job performance. Ohio State University researchers conducted a survey of nearly 800 critical care nurses before the start of the pandemic. More than half of those surveyed reported suboptimal physical and mental health. They were also between 31 to 62% more likely to make preventable medical errors than those in better health. Nearly 40% had symptoms of depression, and more than half screened positive for anxiety. Experts say long shifts with limited breaks can negatively affect the health of nurses. Canadian research finds that C-section deliveries are safe for low-risk pregnancies. Data from a birth registry showed that planned cesarean deliveries on maternal request were associated with a lower risk of adverse delivery outcomes for moms and babies. Mothers who requested these deliveries were more likely to be white and live in higher-income communities. Experts say more research is needed to determine the long-term effects of planned C-sections. A woman who unexpectedly gave birth on a commercial flight last week had some lucky help from some healthcare workers. The new mom was on a Delta flight from Salt Lake City to Honolulu on Wednesday when she gave birth in the plane's bathroom. Lucky for her, there were 3 NICU nurses and a doctor on the flight who jumped into action. The team used an Apple Watch to monitor heart rate and microwaved water bottles as baby warmers, working together to keep the baby stable for 3 hours until the plane landed. The woman says she didn't know she was 29 weeks pregnant. Now let's check in with Hutch for a last look at your forecast. Hutch.
Wow. All right, taking a look at temperatures. It's cool out there. We are in the 40s north, 50s south, gusty north winds approaching 40 miles per hour at times right here in the Red River Valley. The wind continues through sunset, and by morning many of us will be at or below freezing from Fargo and points north. So 32 in Fargo in the morning, temperatures ramping up only to the mid-50s. Less wind though, and more sunshine for your Tuesday, but that goes away Tuesday night into Wednesday. Mixed precipitation, a few flakes for Fargo and points south and east. And it's cool right into your Mother's Day weekend with 50s on the docket.
All right, thanks so much, Hutch. Thank you for joining us. Have a great night.